Hi there, I'm Ashley from the Panasonic store in Southampton, and I am going to demo for you the Panasonic HCV130. Okay, so the HCV130 is this year's lightest, most compact camcorder that we have. So this camera is a full HD camera with 38 times optical zoom and 75 times intelligent zoom. At the bottom of the camcorder, you have a slot for your SD card and a screw for your tripod mount. You have releasing battery here, which is also onboard charging. To the back, you have your function for recording and playback. This button here will allow you to record. On top here, you have a button for still pictures, and you have your zoom in and out, which when playback is also your volume control. Inside of the camcorder, when it's open, you have USB ports, auto or manual settings, delete button, on and off button, as well as your AV output and your HDMI output. On your 2.7 screen, you also have your menu button, your arrow keys and enter button. On the right hand side here, you have a button for the lens shutter, as well as a comfortable adjustable hand strap. Okay, inside the box you'll receive 2 discs, your manual, your USB charger, your adapter and AV cables, and of course the camera. Thank you, that's the end of the demo. If you have any other questions, you can always have a look online or call us on 02380 659 111. Thank you.